Welcome to eSolish, English for Work and Life.
Today, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in English. We have a special friend to help us. His name is Wang. He is learning English, just like you. And he will teach us how to introduce ourselves. Let's get started.
Hello, my name is Wang. I am from China. Now, I live in London. I am 28 years old. I am married. I have 2 children. I go for a walk in the park in my free time. I like noodles. I like learning English. I go to my English class every week.
Now, it's your turn. Can you introduce yourself? Write 3 sentences in the comments.